I'm 14 years old and I eat this every day after my workouts. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to cook a 900 calorie breakfast meal. You can make this in under 10 minutes and you can change it up a bit if you want. It's pretty great and tasty, so make sure you stick around until the end so you don't miss a step. Without further ado, let's get started. These are the ingredients. You can pause the video if you want. I will reveal the total at the end. First, you add a bit of olive oil. There's no precise amount, just enough to fill the pan a little bit. Let it heat it up for a minute or two. The olive oil has 133 calories. After you start to see some smoke, add some bacon chips. While the bacon is frying, get an egg, put it in a bowl and stir it to the point where there's this little liquid. Then put it in a pan. This is some kind of French omelette with bacon in it. After 20 seconds or so, start to flip it around so it cooks in the other sides. Once you finish, put it in a plate. Then, in the same pan, fry some steaks. I had 2, you can have more if you want. These sum up to 189 calories and 13 grams of protein. Put it all in a plate and then add some cereal. Don't overcomplicate it. I had 51 grams of cereal and 0.4 liters of milk. But it was definitely more than that because I added more as I was eating it. If you stick by these amounts, it will sum up to 429 calories and 18 grams of protein. In total, there are 956.2 calories and 60 grams of protein. It's a great post-workout meal. Watch this video now. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, make sure to subscribe and leave a like for more content like this. But until next time, see you later.